What L&D roles are at the biggest risk of being replaced by AI? I don't think it's as much a role question as it is a task question that then becomes a role question. So I think this is true of every industry, but especially in L&D, if there are repetitive tasks that can be more easily completed by a machine, or templated tasks, let's say that they do not require remarkable output, is a strange way to say that. But a lot of the presentations I built for instructor-led training early in my career were just kind of filling in text on templated slides because that's what I was asked to do. That kind of task can be automated today. So I'd say take a look at your existing responsibilities, your existing tasks and workflows, and start asking questions about how can a machine help us do this differently? Because there is a conversation out there and kind of a really strong line that says AI won't replace people. People who can really leverage AI will replace people. I see that as a yes and. There are also just fundamentally roles that might have to change or might not be necessary anymore based on what technology can do. And you're starting to see some elements of that. There's that one big story right now about a contact center that basically outsourced all of their contact center activity to a bot instead of having to have people answering the phone. The reality is organizations are going to look for that type of value add and potentially that type of cost savings. The earlier we get involved in the conversation and informing it, the more likely we can participate and inform those decisions versus allowing people to make decisions about what resources are and aren't needed because we're playing catch up.